Hey guys, Bart from TST Industries here. Welcome to TST Garage. In the shop with me today is a Honda Rebel 1100. I'll be demonstrating to you how to install our TST Industries Gen 2 flasher relay on this bike. Why would you need this part, you say? All right, let's power it up. If you have a hyper flash situation affecting your signaling system, you've probably moved away from the OEM signals and installed some aftermarket LED style lamps for signaling, or disconnected one of the sets. Whatever the case may be, now your signaling system is sensing much less current draw in the path there, and it's been designed to flash faster to alert you on the dash that something's awry with your signaling system. Now, most people that want to go to LED style signals, aftermarket signals on these bikes, they need some kind of a solution to make them stabilize in the flash rate. You can see here, it's much faster than the other side that I've kept stock. If that bothers you, this solution is for you. Now, this is a plug and play solution. It replaces the OEM relay, has the same connector, it has the same hanging clip. So it's a matter of unplugging the OEM and plugging this one in. I will show you how to perform that, including the removal of some of the components that are in the way. But I also want to indicate to you a cool little nuance of this component. If you slip off the gray cover, you can access a little potentiometer adjuster here, and then you could adjust up and down on the flash rate to cater to your liking with the resultant flash rate of the signals. Now, I'm the kind of guy that likes OEM flash rate, 85 cycles per minute. So that's how we set these. They arrive to your door at 85 cycles per minute. I typically just replace the OEM with this, stabilize my flash rate, and then we're good to go. But if you're the kind of guy that likes to adjust things and cater to your preference, freedom is choice, this will enable you to do that. Let's get started here. I've already taken off the seat. We'll jump up top, remove a couple fasteners, and we'll be good to go. All right, let's grab a number 2 Phillips and remove these 2 fasteners here. I am going to hold the base of this fastener, otherwise it'll just spin and not unlock. Then turn counterclockwise on the head, that unlocks it, and this comes out. On the way back in, we insert it and press the center in. That's what locks it back in. I'll remove the other side fastener. And now I'm going to switch to a number 3 Phillips, and I'm going to remove this fastener and its matching fastener on the right side of the bike. Now this tray comes up in the rear and pivots out. Now we have access under here. Your flasher relay is located right here on a tab from the sub tray. I'm gonna grasp it from the bottom and push it up. Now remove it. The connector boot will come down. Remove the boot from the tab, from the mounting tab. That's all integrated into one molded piece. Once this slips off, we have access to the connector. We press the tab from the connector down to unlock it. Withdraw the male housing out of the relay. We will bring our relay into view. Same connector, line the tab with the window, plug it in, and now I will just quickly test it. We have proper flash rate, and we are good for reassembly. So here you can see we have the same kind of tab that comes on the OEM relay. We'll need to make sure that it's flexed out. They tend to close up a little bit in storage. So as we bring this boot into position here, we'll have to bend out that tab slightly and get this boot over it. All right, now our relay housing is slightly different geometry, so we'll just need to stretch this boot over our relay. will make a nice tight seal against the relay body and prevent any water from entry. And that's pretty much it. We're going to do the reverse order of disassembly protocol here to get our tray back in, seat back on, and that'll be that. Just wanted to mention, if you guys are going to adjust the flash rate, I recommend doing it before putting the rubber boot on. If you are going to be adjusting the flash rate live with the power turned on, make sure that you don't touch the actual circuit board from the relay to any components anywhere, and avoid contact with any of the electronic components in your hands. That's pretty much it. Let's go in the reverse order of disassembly here. Move the wire out of place, and that was binding. Now it's good. All right. Quick note, we do have shoulder bolts here. We do have these shoulder features that need to be concentric with the hole in the tray. Make sure that as you thread them in and bring them to bottom, you wiggle around the tray and make sure that the shoulder fits through the hole. Otherwise, you'll just clamp the plastic and distort it. You don't want to do that. All right, this was a quick installation. Only a couple regular household tools required. So you can see we've stabilized the flash rate. We're good to go. Both sides are working at the 85 cycles per minute flash rate. If you like what you see here, check out tstindustries.com. We have these parts ready to go for you to purchase. If you like our videos, if you have any comments, please give us a comment. Subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you next time.